GraphPad Forms are integrated with the mapping feature and with any back-end system by having the correct field names. And so if we've got the field's name correctly and we create an appointment, and so we're going to just use the touch and hold capability of GraphPad to create an appointment at this location, we do have to put in a name. And just put in Tom, save that appointment. By saving the appointment, we get turn-by-turn directions, and so we can just open it, get directions, and it will take us right into Apple Maps. But we can also open a form, and so we know that this drawing worksheet and this new 3, which it's based upon, has the correct form fields. And so now when we open it, we'll see that the data has been pre-populated. So we see Tom and the address that we've actually had in there.